to my channel. It is your girl Bionka Deyon, and we're back with a Disney look, period. Okay, so today is kicking off something that I really not gonna do this as a series. I was just inspired by Monsters Inc. to do this look. I asked you guys on my Instagram some different colors that I should use. I haven't used purple before. I have done a blue look before, but I haven't done purple, so I decided to put this together, and it's giving the girls Monsters Inc. I do love the way that the look turned out. I did use a very affordable palette, so for my girls that do want to recreate the look, everything in this video is very affordable. First things first, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because if you're not subscribed to my channel, then we don't know what you're doing. I'm just gonna stop rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and let's get into the video. Okay, you guys, so I am coming with already one eye done. So the palette that I'm going to be using today is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and it has a lot of different colors in here. So as y'all can see, plenty of colors to choose from here. So basically I'm just going to use that today. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Instant Age Rewind concealer. This is from Maybelline, and this is in the color Caramel, and I'm going to use this to not only carve out my brow, but I'm also going to use this to go ahead and also give me a base, like an eyeshadow primer basically. So as y'all can see, now that the concealer is all blended out, what I'm going to go in with just to set the concealer, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty powder in the color Cashew. And basically with this Morphe 535 brush, I'm going to set the concealer. Just patting very lightly. You don't want to pat too hard. Alright, so boom, now it's time to get into these colors, okay? So the first color that I'm going to be going in with is this very light blue. It's the lightest blue in the palette, and it's also a matte. And I'm going to build up this color because the BH Cosmetic shadows is very iffy sometimes, so I'm going to build up this color. As y'all can see, like that little iffy stuff that I'm talking about right there, I just really dabbed that color right on top of it just to fix that. I'm going to go with a paper towel just to wipe off the excess color, and I'm going to do like very subtle blending. As y'all can see, like you just got to play with these colors. It's a very cheap palette. I like the pigment of it, but the colors are just very iffy sometimes. Next, I'm going to go in with that teal that's right next to it, and I'm going to put that right under the color that I just put on my eye. And again, doing the dabbing motion with like small blending. I'm going to take a very dark blue from the palette, and with this dark blue, I'm going to go right under that teal that we just applied. I don't know if y'all can see that, but my shadow is separating. So y'all, this shadow started separating like crazy. Luckily I am doing a cut crease, but I'm just gonna let this be funky until I just want to come back to it. Now I'm about to cut my crease. I'm cutting my crease with the same thing that I set my that I primed my eyelids with. Thank God they covered some of that up, because I was getting so frustrated. So now that we have the crease cut how I would like it, what I'm going to go ahead and do is set this concealer, just tapping lightly. Tapping too hard, like you'll disrupt the consistency. You'll get patches, baby girl. Like that's not what we want. So tap soft. Okay, boom. You know, this started off bad. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my blue outsides, which is from the palette as well. It is one of the shimmery blues, so I'm going to go in with the blue on the outside and the inside. wipe this excess off on my little eyeshadow tail. And then we're gonna go ahead and go in with this purple from the palette. So now that purple is on, I'm just gonna dab lightly over the blue and the purple just to give it a better blend. So now what I'm going to use is the NYX, this is the NYX, what the heck? This is the Liquid Crystal Body Liner, and this is in the color Crystal Gunmetal. Then we're just gonna line this little line that I have created right here. We're gonna line that. And don't try to blink too much, because this stuff, like, it take a little while to like set and dry, so you know, fan your face a little bit. So I'm using the Morphe liner in the color Ink. Girls, I still stuck at eyeliner, don't judge me. I'm gonna do my base, and then we're gonna come back and we're going to do the under eye and also my inner corner as well. So give me just a second. Just give me a second. So I have done my base. We're cute. Okay. So the last thing that I think I want to do is, yeah, so we're gonna smoke the same purple under my eye. This glitter is getting on my nerve. Get on my nerve. I'm gonna take some glitter primer, and honestly just gonna use my finger. I'm gonna dab a little bit of this on the inner corner, and now we're gonna go in with this very pretty glitter I have. I don't even remember where I got it from yet. And I'm picking up just small flakes and tapping it on the inner corner. IDK would got into me to do that. This is very out of my element, okay? So this is the Telescopic Carbon Black. I just like it because it's little and it just really gets those baby lashes I have under here, because they is baby. So you guys, this is the final look. This is my Monsters Inc. inspired. This is Sully. I really love the way that it came out. I'm very nervous to play with color, just because I just am sometimes. But I do like the way that these purples and these blues did merge together. They look really cute. But yes, this is the final look. All of my hair details will be down below. I plan on doing, like, you know, just a little review over it for my girls that are in Dallas that are looking for some bomb raw hair. I will leave the details down below in addition to my stylist. Overall, you know, the Take Me to Brazil palette, I feel like this is cute for Instagram. Like, that's it. Like, I don't think I will be able to wear this out because it just kept tripping on me. Like, the colors was messing up. It was being really weird. But I want to be completely honest with you guys when I was using this palette, because it does have a lot of colors. It is very easily accessible and it's cheap. I feel like you can get some great looks out of this, but you gotta take them right off because they ain't gonna last long. Before you guys exit this video, make sure you're following me on all of my social media. That is my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Snapchat. And then also make sure you like this video, make sure you're commenting down below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.